Good morning, Tonga. This is what it looks like this morning. I will definitely have to have my umbrella out today. And the wind, ooh, it's even windy, pulling right up into the doorway. That's how strong the wind is today, as well as the downpour. But that's Tonga, and I love it, man. It really helps everything grow quicker, and definitely the agricultural part will benefit from all this rain. Yeah, I just got to figure out what am I going to be able to accomplish today. I got to go into town and handle a few things at the MTED and the consulate embassy. So that's going to be wicked today. But thank you for watching. I appreciate you. But Tonga is pouring today, at least here in Nuku Nuku, and I'm sure the rest of the island, because it looks like the whole island is going to be raining today. Usually you can sit here and be on Nuku Nuku side and Nuku'alofa is dry, or vice versa. But today, I believe the whole island's going to get this saturation today. So thank you for watching. Continue commenting, sharing, liking, watching my commercials that are in between them. That helps me, and I appreciate you. Have a great morning. Appreciate you again. Have a great morning from Tonga.